This is the unboxing video for Sandbaggy's 6-inch square top landscape staples. So on your left here, this is the 500 pack landscape staple. And to the right here, this is the 1000 pack to a box landscape staple. So let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you a little bit more. So as you can see here, once you open up the box, this is neatly packaged in 100 landscape staples per bag. So it's all ready to go for you. And the benefit is that you know how much of the staples you've used, especially for you contractors out there. So that's the 1000, that's the 500 right there. Let's open up the 1000 so you guys can see how that's packaged. So as you can see here, when you open up this box, same thing, packaged 100 staples per bag. This, unlike our competitors which don't do this, 100 staples per bag, and there's 10 bags in this box for a total of 1000. So when we open up our box here, open up our bag, all we got to do when we need to use some staples, go ahead and cut it open with a pair of scissors. Pull out the staples we need. So these are 11 gauge staples with the chisel point on there, so they're extremely sharp. All you got to do, here's some landscape fabric, you go ahead and just push that into the ground. If you need it, you just use a hammer if the soil's hard. Other than that, you're good to go.